All right, sample problem 3-4. And in this problem, we're going to introduce using Avogadro's number. Okay, a lot of students are really intimidated by this, but try to keep your heads on straight. The procedure is going to be the same. You're just using a new number. Okay. So how many moles of silver, Ag, are in 3.01 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of silver? Before we go any further, I'll point out that this is 3 significant figures. So my answer is going to be recorded in 3 significant figures. So again, let's go through a procedure. Let's analyze the question. What have we been given? 3.01 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of silver. What are we trying to figure out? The amount of silver in moles, because that's what moles represents, an amount. It's like a how much type question. So again, conceptually, we're going to take our number of atoms and convert it into an amount of silver, and our unit will be moles. Move this up. This up further. Stick it there. So again, you can refer to figure 3-11. We know that the number of atoms can be converted to the amount in moles by dividing by Avogadro's number. Now, Avogadro's number is a set value. It doesn't change. So you are going to have to memorize that. You are going to have to memorize that. That is a piece of information you have to memorize. Nothing from the periodic table, but Avogadro's number you have to memorize. And so you can see conceptually, we'll be taking the number of silver atoms, which was given to us by the question. And then again, our unit here is atoms. And so we're going to have atoms on the denominator of our conversion factor. We're converting into moles, so moles goes on top, so it can be in our answer. So when we actually plug in the numbers, we see that our strategy for the conversion is the same as in the previous 2 sample problems. It's just that we have these big numbers using scientific notation to get there. It's the only difference. It's the only difference. So we can see that the answer is correct. The units cancel correctly, which is the most important thing you can do for this procedure. And the number of atoms is exactly 1/2 of Avogadro's number. That makes sense. Avogadro's number is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. Well, what we were given by the question is literally 1/2 of that, 3.01. So it makes sense that that would be a 1/2 mole of silver.